Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video on our beater with a heater, our 2001 Renault Kangoo, and this is of a request of one of you guys of how easy is it to change a mirror, because obviously on the previous video you saw that I have to change a mirror, and I was going to, and I'm hoping it's quite easy because looking at the replacement I got from a scrapyard, I should think it's just those three nuts holding it on. So I got this from, like I say, from a scrapyard. I can't remember how much it was now. 20 something pounds, I think. I'll put it down below. But yeah, let's make a real quick one, change this mirror and make it easier to reverse, because with that thing flopping around you can't see anything. I'll set you up. Let's have a go. Well, I hope you guys can see okay. I got my spare mirror, got 8mm socket in my Makita, but yes, any old socket will do. And we start off by prising this off. It's got 3 clips on it. There we go. And we realise how dirty it is. Bear with. And we know to ourselves how clean this is. We take our little 8, get in there, there's 3 of them. Undo them helps. I've got a magnet. Magnet is handy. Rest it on your belly. Don't drop it like I did in my T3. You know, it doesn't really matter. Then I guess we just wiggle it out. Do we? Yep. Yeet that one. And then we got our replacement. Actually, bear with, we clean this side. And if you do like what we're doing here and find it useful, please give us a thumbs up. Back in the room, we shove that in through there somehow. Rest it on the belly. First nut. Second nut. Third nut. And then we just whiz them up nice and gentle like. And then pop on our panel. And hope it's the right one. It's just, like I say, 3 clips that go into these lugs. Done. It moves. Ah, don't trip up the old one. And there we have it. All done. Looking firm and wobbly. Perfect. There. So, nice and quick, nice and easy. What more can I say? Anyway, thank you for watching. Hope this is of some help to you guys. It is an easy one. Just need your 8mm socket and clean underneath. I'm waffling already. Thank you so much for watching. Look us up on Instagram, Larks_workshop, and I hope to see you next time. Cheers then! See the difference? They're a different size and everything. Oh well, it's what we got and it's what we're keeping.